You can't order no McChicken, no nuggets, or no fries because the grease dirty. Like the grease from yesterday. So yep.
Ricky Keys, this ain't how it should be. You left this young boy feeling hungry. All he wanted was some McNuggets, but y'all were close, so the boy said fuck it.
I love McDonald's, but this ain't right. Why can't y'all be open later in the night? Sending them here, oh, looking for a fight. But first, let me do a BK on site. Burger King, you are evil. Your service is bad and your food is lethal. First off, the Whopper don't make me fucking laugh. You know it's impossible to beat Big Mac. Your chicken fucking sucks, sussy old plain. The good chicken nuggets have MC in the name. I can have it my way, but I don't want anything. You might wear the crown, but you ain't the king. City, neon lights flashing, chicken fries in the